If you follow my channel, you may notice something quite different. These are my Ray-Ban Meta 2 smart glasses, and they're actually filming a video right now. Now, as someone that makes car content, can you imagine how amazing these actually could be? Well, we're going to find out here today with the Aston Martin, which is the perfect car for a very James Bond style piece of tech. Okay guys, that was just for fun. These glasses can't really control my car, but let me show you some of the really cool things they actually can do. The main thing is this tiny little camera here that actually shoots in 3K, and you can get some amazing POV driving shots. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen recently I've been posting so many fun POV drives with this car. I just have the glasses on, and if something exciting happens on the road, I just hit record, and yeah, it's all captured, and the videos have been doing really well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out here, watch the videos. They're so much fun, especially in the Aston Martin. Now in this video, we are going to go for a full drive with the glasses on. I'm going to have a video from the glasses so you can see exactly how the footage looks, and I'll have another video set up in the car so you can see where I am and how they're all working. But before we do that, I just want to run through some more cool features on these glasses.
The lens here can shoot 12 megapixel photos and videos up to a resolution of 3K. These are shot at 2208 by 2928, so sadly not a landscape format, but perfect for small clips and reels.
Believe it or not, these glasses actually also function as fully working headphones, and they sound great. I have no idea how it works because people around me can't hear, but I can hear, and there's nothing in the ear. I think there's lots of little microphones that direct the sound only to your ear. And believe it or not, there's also a little touchpad here on the side, so you can adjust the volume as well. They are super cool. I think they're probably worth it for just this feature alone.
They have a battery life of around 8 hours and can easily be charged on the go in this lovely case here. It's just like charging a pair of AirPods.
And another really cool feature with these glasses is that these are actually prescription lenses. So I can wear these all day, and if I suddenly want to capture a moment on video, I can just do it. So yeah, you can get them fitted with full prescription lenses. And you may notice too, they're actually sunglasses right now. They're not always sunglasses. I've actually got the transitional lenses. So when you're out in the sun, they turn into sunglasses. And then when you go back inside, they turn back into normal lenses. Now, I researched these a lot, and everything I found online said don't get them because they don't work when you're in the car, to do with the car's UV protection screen. But Vision Express, who supplied these for me, actually have special in-car use transitional lenses. So we're going to test them in this video, and we're going to see if they stay as sunglasses while we're driving here, hopefully in the sun, because it's England and it rains a lot. But let's get on to the thing I know you guys are all here for. What are these glasses like for capturing those amazing moments in a car like this incredible Aston Martin? Right guys, here we are for the POV view with the Meta glasses. How's the view? Hope it all looks good. Thought you guys might want to join me for a startup in the Aston Martin. So foot on the brake. This goes red, you might not be able to see it in the sun, and listen to this. Oh, that lovely VA is just divine. Car's not cold, so we can whip it into track mode and try this. Oh, it just sounds so good, this car. And what a car to capture and test the Meta glasses. Right guys, I'm going to take you on some of my favourite roads. It's a gorgeous day here in England and we're in the Aston Martin. What a car to test out these glasses. I hope you like the view, I hope you can see everything. The speedo, the interior, this lovely interior, but we're going to go in manual mode. Now look at the road ahead. Second gear. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's just crazy, and I bet the view is so good on the Meta glasses. You probably noticed my excitement levels have raised dramatically since I got behind the wheel. That's just what happens when I drive this car, guys. If you haven't watched my content before, I love cars. Lots of cars get me this excited, but the Aston Martin, it was always my dream car. And even after 2 years of owning this car, I still absolutely love it. Now I've just remembered I need to stop looking at the camera because you want to see the road ahead with the Meta, but I want to talk to you guys and I want to interact. So I'm going to get some really good shots now with the glasses and just sit back and enjoy, guys. And if you're thinking about buying these for car content, this is the video for you. You're going to see everything. I think you guys are going to get a really good test of the stability of these glasses as well, because I'm so excited driving this car. My head is probably moving around everywhere, so apologies for that. But hey, you're going to see how good the stabilization is on the glasses at the very least. So how's that? How's the audio? Hopefully you can hear the car really well and you can hear my voice. I am shouting a bit because it's so noisy in here, but if you can hear me talking through the ferocious V8 in this Aston Martin, then I would say the mics pass the test. And those downshifts are just too fun. Oh, I think it's time for windows down because we've got a little bit of a mini tunnel here. So we'll drop down to second gear. That was nuts. I'm guessing a lot of you guys are curious about what the battery life is like in these glasses. Well, surprisingly good. I think you get around 8 hours, and I'll do a 30-minute drive in the morning and I'll just constantly be filming little videos for Instagram, and when I get to the office it's like 70%, which is amazing. And if it does drop low, you just pop them in the case and after about half an hour I think it charges 50%, so battery life is not an issue at all with these. Right, I think we should do a launch, guys. What do you guys think? Should we do a launch? Let's do a launch. That was a bit terrifying. I went easy in first, but once we got to second, I was on it. Oh, we got a cyclist up ahead, but no problem. Very, very safe overtake now. All captured on the Meta glasses. Look at these gorgeous British roads. Sky is blue, trees are lovely and green. This is my favourite time of the year. What a time to be driving on the road. Oh, those downshifts. So yeah, I hope you like the view, guys. This is the Meta glasses, and yeah, I'm filming daily reels with these. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok now as well, I've got TikTok. I haven't even got 1,000 followers yet, but it's growing. So if you want to support me, follow me. I'll put all the details on the screen, and of course you're going to see loads of really fun clips with the Meta glasses. Time for some downshifts. Oh, potholes. Oh.
Looking back at the footage here of me driving, it looks like the transitional lenses have worked, but I don't think they've gone full dark. Like if I go outside in the sun, they are much darker, as you can see in this clip here, whereas in the car I don't think it's going that full 100% blackout, which is a shame. However, I will say I've been driving around them in the sun and they've definitely helped, so I still recommend them.
So guys, I've had these glasses now for over a month and I've been using them daily as regular glasses at work. I've used them every time I drive and it's been incredible to capture quick POV clips. I've been growing my Instagram, the videos have been all going really well, got loads of new followers, and it's all thanks to these amazing glasses. So for me and short form content, they've been a bit of a game changer. So guys, if you're thinking about picking up a pair of Meta glasses, I cannot recommend them enough, even if you're just getting them for the headphone feature. But if you make car content, they are an absolute game changer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.